Hi everyone, I hope you're okay, and I hope that the videos we keep uploading are helping you out. On this video, guys, I'll be tackling the first question from the King David High School preliminary examination, which was written in the year of 2023. Please do expect a total number of 12 videos, since the question paper had 12 questions in total. That simply means each and every question will have its own video. And please, guys, do take this seriously. I strongly believe that knowing how to tackle exam questions will give you an edge whenever you write your preliminary exam and, most importantly, your final examination. So please do share the video to your peers so that they may have the same edge as you. And please, guys, do help us grow the channel by just subscribing. Okay, question 1a. We are given an equation over there. X multiplied by x minus 5 is equal to a. I'm supposed to solve x if a is equal to 0. So basically, they're telling me that I have a factorized equation, and then I have 0 on the left hand side. I can therefore conclude that either x is 0 or x minus 5 is 0, and hence x is equal to 5. So these are the two roots if a is equal to 0. Now I'm supposed to solve x if a is equal to x minus 5. So I'll simply have x and x minus 5 being equal to x minus 5. Please, guys, do not do the mistake of dividing by x minus 5. You'll be arrested, ne? Don't do that. Do not do that. You'll be arrested. Okay, the first thing you have to do, guys, is to make sure you remove brackets by just multiplying inside by x. You'll simply have x squared minus 5x is equal to x minus 5. Make sure your equation is in standard form. You'll end up having x squared minus 6x plus 5. And then I'm looking for the factors of 5. That's when I add will give me 6. That's 3 and 2. Ha ha ha. That's 5 and 1. Excuse me. That's 5 and 1, right? And then the sign here is plus. That simply means the brackets will have the same sign, but not just any sign. The sign of the middle term. I'll simply have minus and minus over there. And then x is 5 or x is equal to 1. Now I'm supposed to solve x if I'm given an inequality. The first thing I need to do is to make sure that this inequality is in standard form. I'll end up having x squared minus 4x minus 21 is greater or equal to 0. After that, simply factorize. We have x, factors of 21. That's when you subtract will give you 4. That's 7 and 3. The sign there is minus. That simply means your brackets will have different signs. The bigger factor between the two will simply keep the sign of the middle term. 7 is bigger than 3, so the sign of the middle term will be next to 7, and then 3 will take the alternate sign. And then we must find the critical values. What are critical values? Critical values are the values of x. That's when you substitute over here, they will give us 0. So critical values, critical value number 1, I have 7. And another one is negative 3. And then after writing down my critical values, I must just plot them on my number line. I have negative 3 and 7. Both of them are included. Why are they included? Because there's an equal sign over there. Okay, and then now, guys, the coefficients of x inside my factorization bracket, both of them have the same sign. That's how I'll have a positive, a negative, and a positive. Are you together? I'm looking for the values of x that will give me something that is greater or equal to 0. Greater or equal to 0 is positive. Where do I see positive on my number line? On the left of negative 3, and also from the right of negative, from the right of 7. So therefore the answer is just x is less or equal to negative 3, or x is greater or equal to 7. If you want to express this as an interval notation, you say x is an element of negative infinity to negative 3, or from 7 to positive infinity. You can simply write your answer like this, guys. It's also allowed, no? Okay, and then now I'm supposed to determine the value the value of x. I'm supposed to determine the value of x if I'm given this equation. The first thing I need to do is to isolate the base that has the unknown. I must just isolate 3. How can I do so? By simply dividing both sides by 5. I will end up having 3 to the x is equal to 2. I cannot make my bases to be the same. All I can do is to just introduce logs on both sides. I'll end up having log 3 to the power x is equal to log 2. There's a rule that I can use that will simply move this exponent there to be the base. Now I'll simply say x log 3 is just equal to log 2. If we have log of a to the power n, this thing can also be written as n multiplied by log a. Are we together? Okay, and then now I want to isolate x. Therefore, x is basically equal to the log of 2 divided by the log of 3, which can be written as the log of 2 base 3. And then this will simply give me my final answer. Log of 2 base 3, I'll simply get 0.6309. So let me just leave it as 0.63. That's how, guys, we're supposed to solve this this question over there. So please do stay tuned and wait for more videos. Thank you.